If you had the Twitter app on your phone, you may have noticed a new app in its place recently. I'm Jessica from TechBoomers.com, and in this video, I'll tell you about the changes Twitter has made with their new rebrand to X. Now let's get started. Twitter has decided to rebrand their platform to a new name, X. The new X branding is more aligned with the owner Elon Musk's other ventures. The new logo is a flashy black and white X icon replacing the classic Twitter bird. They have also done away with the tweet branding, with posts now simply being referred to as posts. The app otherwise still remains the same, and the process to post and use the app has not changed much yet. Twitter's CEO says X is the future state of unlimited interactivity, centered in audio, video, messaging, payments, and banking, creating a global marketplace for ideas, goods, services, and opportunities. Powered by AI, X will connect us all in ways we're just beginning to imagine. Based on this statement, we expect many new features will be added to the platform in the months to come. Let us know what you think of the name change from Twitter to X and your thoughts on the new branding. Learn more about using X by watching our previous Twitter tutorials. We'll have the playlist linked down below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech videos like this one every week.